Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete an opportunity in Salesforce. Whether you're cleaning up outdated records or removing duplicate entries, knowing how to properly delete opportunities helps keep your sales pipeline organized and accurate. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by clicking the App Launcher, which is the waffle icon located in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon opens up a menu that gives you access to all the apps and features available in your Salesforce account. It's essentially your navigation hub for moving between different areas of the platform. Once the app launcher opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in opportunities and then select it from the results that appear. This will take you directly to your opportunities list view, where you can see all the opportunities currently tracked in your system. This is where you manage all your potential deals and sales prospects. Now that you're viewing your opportunities, find the specific opportunity you want to delete and click on its name. This action will open the full record page for that opportunity, showing you all the details, related activities, and any associated contacts or accounts. Make sure you've selected the correct opportunity before proceeding, as this step is crucial to avoid deleting the wrong record. With the opportunity record now open in front of you, look toward the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a delete button. Click on this button to initiate the deletion process. Salesforce takes data management seriously, so they've built in a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. After clicking delete, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This is Salesforce's way of making sure you really want to remove this opportunity from your system. The dialog will typically ask you to confirm your action. Go ahead and click delete on this confirmation dialog to finalize the removal. And that's it. You've successfully removed the opportunity from your Salesforce account. The record is now deleted, helping you maintain a clean and accurate sales pipeline. Keep in mind that depending on your organization's settings, deleted opportunities may be recoverable from the recycle bin for a limited time if you need to restore them later. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.